Accidentally push sensitive data, or just need a clean slate? Today, we're nuking a GitHub repository gone for good. First, make sure you're the repository owner or have administrator permissions. This is crucial, as deletion is a permanent action. Okay, head to github.com and sign into your account. Now, navigate to the repository you want to delete. Look for the Settings tab at the top, usually to the right-hand side of the screen. Click on Settings, scroll all the way down, yes, all the way down to the danger zone. I promise it won't bite, but take it seriously. In the danger zone, you'll find a button labeled Delete this repository. Click it. Prepare yourself. GitHub will now ask you to type in the repository's name to confirm you understand the consequences. It's a double check to prevent accidental deletions. Copy the repository's name exactly as it appears. Paste the name into the field and click the I understand the consequences. Delete this repository button. Remember, this action is irreversible, and that's it. Your repository is now permanently deleted from GitHub, along with all its branches, commits, and history. Make sure it is what you wanted to do before doing it. Thanks for watching, and be careful out there.